time is 10 past 3 p.m. I'm heading east on the 441 or 8A. Soon I will turn north on 98 because there is a thunderstorm. If you look in front of me, there is some development taking place as well. Some big drops falling right now. So wow, you see the stripes. Rain falling on me right now. Heavier. Wow. Even if it's not, it's a good way of going towards the storm. So I'm gonna head here. Wow, nice. Very nice. Nice updraft on the left side with sort of some lowerings over there. Wow. Just reached Highway 98. I'm not sure whether. I think what I'll do is turn around here. There's actually another car south of me, instead of shooting up all over the place. Wait if I can see striking that one. And I'm gonna wait. Yeah, this car you are looking at now is the heavy rain. It seems flash from somewhere, but I'm not sure where it was actually. Behind me or... See it's right or not? Let me actually listen for thunder. Steady coming up towards the storm. Yeah, it actually is coming from the storm behind. Yeah, and this storm is dominant one. Maybe route 710 would have been a good route to go. But actually it's getting more frequent just south of here. I'm thinking that I should turn the car all the way around because there is actually more lightning coming from the storm behind me. Wow. It's about a little over 4 kilometers from here. I can see something interesting. What is that? Is that a funnel cloud? I think I can see funnel cloud. Wow. Let's see, this must be a funnel cloud. Wow. Just wonder whether there's any rotation, but I think there is. Like, what else could this be? I would have to look at a video later to determine whether there was a rotation or not, but could have very well been a funnel cloud because there are two storms from the funnel cloud, one on the left, one on the right. There's one to the east, one to the west, and the outflow boundaries could have actually interacted to produce a rotation. Not very much, but very nice updraft base. Let me just check around if there is any other potential for any funnel clouds. Wow, nice. Wow, Horizon is producing very nice CGs. You can see the outflow winds on the right hand side. Let me just move it a bit. Wow, nice. Just where the strike was, you can see the clouds moving out. This is the outflow wind. This is over 5 kilometers. There is a core developing just where that funnel cloud was, if it was a funnel cloud. Wow. about 4 kilometers from here, the closest strike. Wow. About 4.5 kilometers from here. I didn't see this one, must have been a weak strike within that heavy rain. Wow. Wow. Another one, 4 kilometers. Yeah, it's about 3 to 4 kilometers from here. It's getting quite close. There are 2 strikes, I'm not sure which one belongs to which one, but it's getting closer. Wow, this was nice. I'm getting some light rain falling on me. Wow, the strikes are getting closer and closer. This struck the ground less than 2 kilometers from here. I've got some high voltage lines behind me, so I think I should be shielded, but I'm gonna close the window a bit just in case. I'm getting the outflow winds. Wow. Wow. Getting some drizzle mixed with some large drops. I'm not sure whether the storm is falling apart actually, because it's becoming outflow remnant, but there are still many upjump bases around here. Getting some heavy rain and big drops. Definitely becoming outflow remnant.
10 miles an hour. Pressure 30.07 inches in column. Some observations around.
High is 3:44 p.m. I am near highway 98. There is a core, the previous core I was typing, which sort of became outflow dominant, produced some wind gusts up to probably 50 kilometers an hour, maybe even more. And there was a dark base right over there where the camera is pointed right now. It's sort of brighter if you look over there. There is a core, it's a bit brighter. And right from here the strike came, the multiple strike. It was probably within 300 meters from here, not very strong one, but really close one. And so I'm gonna turn around and head towards Belle Glade, 98, since storms are moving towards there. It's gonna be somewhere near Belle Glade, so I'm gonna head right towards Belle Glade west. You can see the the eastern horizon, how it's clearing up. Wow, nice. Wow. Wow. Very long, very nice. Very long, very nice. About 4.5 kilometers. Again, about 4.5 kilometers. It's like it's getting closer. Wow, nice. About 6 kilometers. I'm not sure whether I should get any closer. As many of those strikes are sort of hidden in the rain, so I'm gonna use no wait, probably one more strike. Wow. Flash. Wow, nice. There, actually, I can see it now. Well, it's south. So I'm just thinking that I should go south and north. I think I'm going south because that's where the strikes occur. Check where the storm actually is. The radar. Wow, nice. There's like Okeechobee in that area, sort of the limit of like Okeechobee. I don't see as many strikes lately. And then last on the camera. till I get ahead of the storm, or till I get there are some other interesting storms south of here heading northwest, so I may go towards them because they look to be more organized. Some very nice red cones in the radar, which means some strong precipitation in them. Actually, I think I can see the easternmost part, or the easternmost storm is just this one you are looking at, that angle. That's it. So I'm gonna head probably towards those if this one falls apart. So I'm gonna turn off the camera for a while. Look at the developments just south of me. Some very high towers over there. I think I'm gonna leave the northern storm and head towards there. Actually, I'm not sure where I should go, whether I should go south in 27 or whether I should go. I'm actually having strikes even to my right hand side over there, so I'm not sure where to take. Probably gonna continue going west. I have the option of going either north or south. This is the storm, the original or the old storm. It is still producing some nice cloud to ground strikes. So probably closer than the other one. Even if I liked those shoot ups of the other storm, I may stay with this one. I have to decide which one of these to follow. Because right north of me there is the Okeechobee. If you can see this levy, it's like right behind it, so it's problematic. Another storm. Now if I show you the southern storm, that's it. Much nicer structure actually. I just want to show you this cloud. It's very interesting. Do you see it? I'm not sure when. It's like how it spreads out as it goes upwards. Actually, I can't look in the camera, so I'm not sure when you see it, but the moisture sort of works its way up. I'm waiting towards the southern storm, so I don't see the lightning yet. I'll turn the camera when I do. Just want to show you the stratification of the clouds. How the outflow of a storm created such layers, and the convection which developed on its front, and it's heavy rain below, and these sort of layered clouds going upwards. It's very interesting how it sort of shoots up. You can actually see some nice strikes happening. Far over there is a core. Quite a few strikes are going over there. What I found quite interesting is this shower. You can see the whole shower cloud with a precipitation below. Both of them have precipitation below. I'm gonna turn back towards the storm. Lightning over there. Okay, the road is turning a bit better. Soon there will be that option to go further west. So just go to look straight into the core of the storm. It will be a better view than before. You can see it, it's quite large. There are some small cores like around it. Wow, nice. Just recheck once again with the map. Yeah, I need to go right. Then towards 846. I'm turning into the right direction exactly against the storm. Wow, nice. I think there are more strikes in the southern core. Let's see what the radar says. "5:24 p.m. and right now there is this thunderstorm on the left hand side has strengthened, as you can see. So I'm gonna follow it before I go to the heavier core. Straight after it, I'm gonna try and get some lightning. Right here, what's falling on me, the shadows from I've seen before falling apart. It's moving further west towards the Okeechobee area, and then there is also one very strong thunderstorm between sort of Naples and Everglade City, maybe a bit more inland. Look over there. There's a strong storm near Naples, and this nice sort of wall cloud. It's like southeast of Naples and northeast of every great city. Just see the tanks and flashes coming from somewhere, not sure where, but okay, 6 o'clock exactly. And I'm heading back west. I took some gas in Immokalee. While taking gas, I've seen some nice strikes from the storm, which is north of me. Then there is this strong storm to the south, but it looks like it's falling apart on the radar. Meanwhile, there are some strengthening storms just west of me, sort of 20 kilometers westwards. So I'm heading back west. I can see already CG, some flashes in them. Still quite distant, but where there is a gap in the trees, I can see those.
Here's the hazardous weather outlook for South Florida. For today and tonight, thunderstorms. Scattered thunderstorms will develop in the morning in the eastern sections and move inland. Meanwhile, thunderstorms will develop along the west coast sea breeze, which will stay close to the coast today due to increased easterly flow. The main concerns with any strong storm that develops today will be frequent lightning, locally heavy rain, gusty winds to near 50 miles an hour, and possibly small hail to dime size. Wind during the afternoon and early evening hours, the thunderstorms may be capable of producing wind gusts to near 50 miles an hour. The greatest threat will be across western and interior sections of South Florida, where daytime heating will be the greatest. Hail. There is a slight chance, if strong storms do develop today, small hail to dime size may occur. This threat will be greatest across western and interior South Florida during the afternoon and early evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Scattered thunderstorms will continue mainly during the afternoon and early evening. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 48 hours. Here is a special weather statement for the following locations. In Florida, Entry and Inland Collier, issued at 5:43 p.m. Strong thunderstorms moving across eastern Collier County. At 5:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms along the line extending from Rotenburg Wildlife Management Area to 5 miles north of mile marker 60 on Alligator Alley, moving northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. These storms will affect Big Cypress Seminole Indian Reservation and surrounding communities. The primary impacts will be frequent to excessive lightning and up to pea-sized hail. Lightning is the #1 weather-related killer in Florida. Trees and open shelters offer no protection. Seek shelter in a safe building until the storm passes. Residents in the path of these storms should remain on the alert for additional statements and possible warnings.
That's actually where I'm heading towards, Seminole Indian Reservation. Wow.
Tuesday, 8/21. Sunrise Wednesday.
And in the waters like jungle. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
The next 4 times.
Wow.
Sunny.
Wow.
Temperature 90 degrees. Marine observations. Winds recorded east wind.
South. As I've just realized, the strongest part of the storm is exactly south of me. And there's no point of going anywhere further towards the east. So I'm gonna turn around. And go watch the storm. From here I still should see some nice strikes with it. I like this sort of, this base of the storm, or sort of this probably shelf cloud. Nice. Wow, nice. Wow. Definitely some heavy rainfall in there. Actually, there is a rain gauge here set up. I'm not sure how long it's been here. It's actually from last evening, so let me just measure what total rainfall is. 67 millimeters. Wow, nice lightning. It's probably even more coming from the left. Check a new radar to see. Wow. Check the map I think it is sort of near the Seminole Reservation because new cores developed over there. So I think I'm gonna go there because it was the strongest core was just here. But this one is sort of weakening. There'll still be some strikes, but there is a stronger core which is just developed. It developed about 15 minutes ago, and it's where Seminole Indian Reservation is. Again, I have to go a bit north here. Not much though. I had to go 1 kilometer to the north before I could finally head right into the storm. It's got lots of potential energy in here. There was no rain, so there's very little convectivity. There is this southern core which you are looking at now. Wow, still some nice CGs. Then there will be a new core which is the one in front of me. Wow. Following it, wow. And I think I will follow that one. Wow, dropped. Wow. Wow. Left part of the storm, there are very strong CGs shooting out of the cloud into the rain-free area. There's a very strong updraft. These bolts last until seconds, some of them extremely long bolts in time duration. They are actually long as well in terms of length. Wow, wow, nice. It's good. Now we will see for a while the southern core. I'm gonna leave the camera here. So you can see some nice flashes. I'm actually not sure which center I should follow. Because there are two strong suns with lightning, and I may actually even go for a southern one. Wow, wow, nice. I'm not sure I should actually stop here and watch somewhere. I think I'm gonna head for another storm because it looks a bit more accurate. Actually, I'm gonna stop here. This is a very difficult situation. I've got two strong storms near me. I'm not sure which one I should follow. Wow, nice. Wow. Let me actually pick it up. Look at this, like this from here. Actually, I think there are more flashes in the other storm, but they are not so nice CGs. 1 minute till the radar. There is the updraft. You can see there is a new core about to develop. Some precipitale. Wow. Wow, nice. Southern storm is going to be stronger, so I'm gonna head south. There are like flashes in both of these. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. CG again. It's like so rich on CG this storm. Nice bolts. It's 6 miles from the reservation. That's about 8 kilometers, 9. I think the storm is just between me and the reservation. So, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, nice. Wow, wow, nice. There is a first drive core, just to the right. What core is there in this one? Wow, nice. Just like to watch. Wow. Very nice. There are some close strikes occurring right around here. Electric wires. Wow. Just to the left. Wow, it's almost constant flashing above me. There are just some cloud-to-cloud strikes above me. Wow, there was a CG. Wow, nice. You've seen this one. Next time I'm gonna turn around because I hear most of the CGs coming from the other side now. So let me turn around here. Wow, nice. Wow, the CG. 5 kilometers from here. Okay, 6:54 p.m. Right now, under this strong storm, it's producing flashes everywhere around. But I think where the camera is being pointed right now. Wow, this is good. It's like 2.5 kilometers, I would say. Wow. There must be a core, I think, somewhere because these strikes are relatively frequent. Yeah, there actually is a core to the north. So I'm gonna head back there and go north. So there are far too many flashes towards that area. It's just always falling apart. I may catch a nice positive CG from the angle if I'm lucky. Wow, nice. Getting heavy rain from side. A bit higher. Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Some nice CGs. I can see this core. There are actually more cores. Here. I think actually the flashing activity is sort of behind me, so I'm turning around and heading back. I'm gonna locate where most of the strikes are. And I think this should produce some NE later on when it's falling apart. Definitely falling apart though. Wow. Probably as close as I could be. I'm not sure whether it will develop northwards, but I see a hint on the radar. Wait for a bit to see if I can get any strikes. It's actually mostly flashes right now. And when there is a new radar and if it shows any significant development north of the system, I'm gonna head north. Wow, nice. Let's see how close this was. Wow. In the north as if it was sort of planning to develop. Maybe south of here there is the greatest reflectivity. On the Sebring area, flash or CG, I didn't see it. Sebring area is under a severe thunderstorm warning.
10 knots.
Wow! Flash.
Issued at 6:58 p.m. through 8:30 p.m. Scattered showers of thunderstorms along and northwest of the line extending from Belle Glade City northeast through the Big Cypress Indian Reservation area will continue to propagate west-northwest at less than 5 miles an hour. As the sun goes down, this activity is expected to continue to wind down through the period. Meanwhile, the strongest storms will still be capable of producing brief periods of heavy rainfall, occasional to frequent lightning, and gusty winds.
Oh wow, nice. nice CC angle within the anvil. I think this one has fallen apart, it's almost not raining at all. As I can see when I look around, nothing really happening.